Okay, so it is time to check our fun singular and plural possessive nouns worksheet. Of course, it's so much fun. So you should have your worksheet, a highlighter, and a checking pen. Please bear with me because my timer is going to go off in a few minutes because dinner's almost ready. So I might have to pause it and go get dinner out of the oven. So anyway, you should have highlighted your title. We are working with possessives, singular and plural possessive nouns. We know that singular means one. Plural means more than one. So anything that I'm labeling on here, you should be labeling on your worksheet. Possessive means it shows ownership. Something you have. It says that again right here. A possessive noun shows ownership. You can highlight that. To make a singular noun possessive, add an apostrophe and S. So most of the time to make something possessive, you just add apostrophe S. Here they have the phrase, the book of the teacher. In order to make that possessive, you just say the teacher's book with an apostrophe S. And you all probably remember from my trick the other day where you can cover it up. You're supposed to be talking about one teacher. You still have one teacher, so your apostrophe is in the correct place. If you put it after the S, it would be more than one teacher. All right, I'm going to pause it for just a second. Okay, sorry, I'm back. The enchiladas are almost done. So, all right, next part. It says to make a regular plural noun possessive. So like in class the other day in my homeroom, Carter pointed out if a noun is plural, a normal noun is plural, it already ends with the S. So in that case, you just add an apostrophe after the S because the S is already there. The books of the teachers, it's already got the S. So to make a plural noun possessive, put the apostrophe after the S, the teacher's books. And again, you can cover it up. You should have more than one teacher when you cover up from the apostrophe on. To make an irregular plural noun that does not end in S possessive, just add an apostrophe S. So basically, if the base word doesn't end in an S, put apostrophe S. If it does, put the apostrophe after the S. The toys of the children, well, children, there's more than one there. It is plural, but it doesn't end in an S, so you just add apostrophe S. Write the possessive form of each noun on the line using apostrophe S or just an apostrophe. The jerseys of the team. Well, we're talking about one team. So you just type team apostrophe S. The team's jerseys. It is just one team. Cover it up. Still one team. The stories of the elders. Well, they're talking about more than one elder. It already has the S. So you just add apostrophe after the S. Cover it up. You still have elders. The game of Jonathan. Well, it's just one Jonathan. So you put apostrophe S. Jonathan's game. Cover it up. Still just one Jonathan. The points of the classes. Well, classes is already plural, so you just put the apostrophe after the S. The classes points. Cover it up, still plural. Okay, I am going to do something really weird right now because I want to see who's actually paying attention to the videos and actually listening to me. So you need to keep this quiet. Do not tell anyone. Keep it to yourself. I am going to be, throughout these videos, giving you a couple of words, and you need to write them down somewhere because it's going to be a quote, and I'm going to give you a quote and who said it. And when you get the complete quote, you can come to me, quietly let me know, and I will give you a ticket. All right? So, hold on. The rice is done. Okay, so what you need to write down somewhere and keep it a secret. Write the words, I've failed. I''VE, failed. FAILED. And I will be adding to this throughout videos. All right, the lawns of the neighbors. Neighbors is already plural. Just add apostrophe. Cover it up. You still have more than one neighbor, more than one lawn. The eggs of the chicken. Well, it's just one chicken, so it's apostrophe S. The chicken's eggs are green, are rotten. Cover it up, you still have one chicken. Write the possessive form of each noun in parentheses to complete each sentence. Here we have trees. The trees' pine cones were scattered across the yard. They are talking about more than one tree. So it's TRES apostrophe. If they were talking about just one tree, you would do TREE apostrophe S. But they already told us it was plural. Mr. Chu car is bright yellow. It's just one Mr. Chu, apostrophe S. It is possessive. One Mr. Chu. We're in good shape. Okay, so we are finished checking that. As you can see on your checklist, it says complete just the front and keep it in your folder. We are actually going to keep this until next week. So this will stay in your folder at the end of the week. You need to move on to doing your digital citizenship next. And then when you have time, if you have time at the end, you can get on Study Island for 5.6 main idea and details. All right. Very good.